So we have seen the rule of associativity for different type of operators. Now we will discuss something very interesting, some interesting point, interesting facts about the use of operators in different small programs. The most important is what we call plus plus and minus minus. You know why I am saying this one? Because this plus plus and minus minus meaning is same, almost same, just the sign is different. In case of plus plus mean, a plus plus mean you say that a equal to a plus 1, right? Similarly, b minus minus mean you will say that b equal to b minus 1. The nature of writing the statement, the style of the statement, if I forget about the operator for a time being, the style of the statement for plus plus and minus minus is same. And it is very easy. But you know, when I will add another operator in the same line, then the nature of plus plus will change, depends upon where this plus plus is written. Is it after the operand or before the operand? What I mean to say is that instead of writing a plus plus, you can write it as plus plus a also. Same thing. Instead of writing b minus minus or b equal to b minus 1, you can write minus minus b also. Same thing. So basically, in this situation up to this, what is the position of plus plus is not important. In this single line, this plus plus can be after a or can be before a. Even minus minus can be after b or even b, before b. Both have the similar type of meaning in both cases. But this is only limited when you will have only plus plus in that line, no other operators. When another operators will be introduced in the same line, then the behavior of this plus plus and minus minus will change. What I mean? I want to say that, for example, if suppose I want that a will be incremented by 1 for a situation, for example, if I write that a equal to 5 and I want to increase this value of a, at the same time I want to store the value of a within another variable, say x. At this moment, how we can express this? Since a plus plus you are writing here, so I can say easily, you can say that okay, I can write x equal to a plus plus. Now what does it mean? I'm coming later. Now since a plus plus, writing a plus plus and writing plus plus a is basically same in this particular line, we can see. So you can also say that it can be written as x equal to plus plus a. But this statement is totally wrong. This is not possible to write. Although in a single situation when only plus plus is present, these two are basically same, but when another operator was introduced, for example assignment operator equal to, then the behavior of this plus plus will change, depends upon where it has been written. It's after the operand or before the operand. So two different situations will arise, and depends on that we have given a name as what do we say, post and pre. Now after post I may have increment, sorry, after post I may have increment or decrement, and after pre I may have increment or decrement. Now this increment or decrement, it depends upon whether you are using plus or minus sign, but the idea is same even for minus also. So what does post, so let's take an example of post increment. If you are able to understand the difference between post increment and pre increment, the same logic is applied for post decrement and pre decrement also. So I hope that will be clear also. So let's take an example for post increment and post pre increment situation. You see, when we write a statement something like x equal to y plus plus, for example y is written as 1, the single statement this one, if I break down into two statements, because I have two different operators, the order that will come is that x equal to y and then y equal to y plus 1 because of y plus plus. So this will be the order. So now you see, with respect to this situation, what basically we can see that increment of y is basically happening after the assignment operation, and that's why this situation is called post increment. Sorry, this post means after. Now if I take another kind of situation, like if I write z equal to minus, say, plus plus y, if I write, I have the similar type of statement, just only the plus plus is before y. So in that situation, if I write the same, want to do the same thing, want to divide into two statements, then what will happen? Then y equal to y plus 1 will be executed first, and then z equal to y. And here you see, we can observe that increment of y is happening before assignment. That's why this is what we call pre-increment. And this pre means before. Before what? Before another operation, that is assignment. Post means after. After what? After another operation that is present in the same line, that is the assignment. So that's why I told you that when another operator will come, then the behavior of plus plus will change, depends upon where it is placed. So basically, if you want to get the output of, say, y, x, I mean if you write what is the value of x and y in this situation, you will see it will produce x equal to 5, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, because before incrementing y you have updated x by old value of y. But if you do the same thing over here, then what you will get? You will see that y is incremented first, so, and then it is stored in z. That means value of z, I will get the updated value of y, updated value of y in z, that is 2, and y is also 2. So this is the difference that we will get as the output of these two different codes. Just difference is happening because of placement of placement of plus plus before or after the operand. and this difference is very crucial. Now see, if this plus plus is for clear to you, then I hope the decrement operation will be also clear to you. In case of just in plus plus, I will have the minus minus, but the philosophy will remain same. In that case, instead of writing post decrement increment, we will specify that post decrement, or in case of pre increment, we will specify that as pre increment. That is the only difference, and I will get the here similarly, accordingly the difference I will get. Now this difference is very crucial when you will try to find some output using this plus plus or minus minus. For example, let's take some example. If I write a program, a very simple line, if I write, for example, I'm writing a equal to 5. Okay. A equal to 5, and then I'm writing b equal to, say, a plus 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 say for example plus plus b. I'm not writing b, let's write c, another variable. Okay, let's write c here. Say b should be some value, b should have some value. For example, b is equal to, say, 10, and suppose it is c. So I'm not following the syntax of C language, but that's not important over here. What's important that how it will be calculated. You see, I have addition operation, I have this plus plus operation, but in case of this plus plus, this plus plus is after a and this is before b. So it's clear that this plus plus represents post increment and this plus plus represents pre increment. And from previous example we have seen that this pre increment should be executed first. So that means if you want to, if you just want to break down this line into several lines, this part will be executed first, right? So the first that you have to compute b plus equal to b plus 1. Then you see this plus plus is the post increment, so you don't need to think about the increment of a right now until you are adding this b and storing into c. So what will happen, the next line, the next execution will be something like plus b. Then what will happen, and this will be the result, and c will have this result now. And in the fourth statement, your a will get incremented. So basically what will happen as a result, that b will now, after executing this, b will be equal to 11. Naturally here result will be equal to 11 plus old value of a, because a has not been incremented till now, so 16. That means c will have value 16. And after that a will be incremented to be 6. So if someone asks you about print a b c, it will basically print 16, 6, then 11, then 16. Am I correct? Yes. Yes. So we have seen an example where we can say that how basically this plus plus and I mean post increment and pre increment is executing.